Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. Today I'm going to draw a little girl. You can see this little girl, she is not very happy because she has some problem of acne. I think any of us would have the problem of acne every day, and some may not have, but the common thing is we all have gone through this terrible period. I remember when I was a teenage girl, I have acne, and it also left me with acne scars. I can't do anything about it right now. So before we tackle this terrible thing, I want to let you know today what are the types of acne, how to treat acne, and what are the tips to help you with acne. I wish you liked today's presentation, so let's get into it. So there are two types of acne we know. One is called non-inflammatory acne, and the other is called inflammatory acne. The causes of acne is we believe have so many reasons. So firstly, stress or hormones, they can be the issue. Also certain medications or poor hygiene, particularly when you touch something dirty and then you touch your face again. Also the wrong skincare product. For example, if your skin is a combination or oily skin and then use the product that contains a lot of oil, which cause the pore to be clogged, and then that's the causes for non-inflammatory acne, such as blackheads and whiteheads. Because this is caused by sebum. That's the oil product by your skin, which cause when the outer layer of the pore is open, we have blackhead, and then when the outer layer is clogged, we have the whitehead. On the other side, we have inflammatory acne. They are causes of swelling and inflammation. Also, apart from sebum and dead skin cells, bacteria is another major player when it comes to clogged pores, which results in inflammatory acne. The rest of them are inflammatory acne, which we usually call it pimples. So we can see there's a red one which is visible to the eye. For the non-inflammatory acne, they usually take 6 to 8 weeks, while for the others we should think about more carefully. So what are the causes of other inflammatory acne? For example, bacterial infection is a very common issue because the acne area are inflamed blemishes that look like red bumps on your skin. They can appear anywhere on the body, including your neck, your chest, your shoulder, your back, or your buttocks. So when a hair follicle's wall is ruptured of your skin, and this makes easy for the bacteria and the cellular debris to enter the dermis, which is the deepest layer of the skin. Then the rupture causes inflammation and red bump, which we call pimple. The severity I will mark as the exclamation mark, so we can see the pimples is 3 marks, and then followed by that we'll see other types of the inflammatory acne. For example, when the acne continues to develop into the pustulus, which is an area that is inflamed with acne, which is also it's kind of like a combination of it, because a part of the skin is contains whitehead, which is non-inflammatory, while the other outer layer has some bacteria, which causes the combination. also the raptor continues to develop on your skin, so the body signals and to defend these bacteria, so it sends the white blood cells as defense mechanism, and this creates pus. So the severity of both can be treated very cautious. And once if this area continues to develop, which means your deeper layer debris is damaged, and this will give you a really long-term effect, which are what we call the acne scars. So what are the treatments of acne? So we have 4 types of treatments we can consider. Firstly, the common one we use is called chemical peels, and which is really popular these days. We can buy it from the chemist or from some certain skin products which contains AHA and BHA. BHA is a type of acid which we call salicylic acid. This is very useful to treat the non-inflammatory acne, because the technique of treating acne is to release the outer peel. You chemically release the dead skin of your skin out layer, and then also it secretes some acid which helps your skin to generate the new cells. Then we also can do some facials if your acne, the severity gets a little bit increased. So we can use the niacinamide. This is the one at which also can control the oil of the skin and also moisturize the content of the skin, which is good for your skin. You don't want your skin to get really dry, and you want it to maintain some moisture. Also, we have laser treatment and the dimmer filler treatment. The last 2 are both costly and time consuming. So at this stage, I highly recommend use the product I mentioned before and just pay attention to. So lastly, I will show you some tips on how to help with your acne. So firstly, you should drink plenty of water every day. The recommended water intake for an adult is 2 liters per day. Then you should avoid certain food such as chips and pizza and junk food. These are the food which are really oily and also inflammatory. Sugar is another thing you should cautious. Exercise helps you to sweat, and enough sleep help you improve your immune system. When you go outside, use the sunscreen every day to cover your skin, and don't touch the face without washing your hand. For example, if you touch something at surface and then you touch your skin, which wouldn't be helpful. Alright, I hope today's video gives you a little bit more instruction and more information about treating acne. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.